More and more security professionals are installing FLIR thermal cameras as part of their total security solution. People around the world have discovered that no other camera technology provides the same level of threat detection and assessment as FLIR's thermal security cameras. When conditions are at their worst, FLIR cameras are at their best. FLIR's thermal security cameras see heat, not light, giving you clear, high-contrast imagery in total darkness, through smoke and haze, and improved visibility through dust and fog. FLIR thermal cameras are the preferred night vision system of the U.S. military. No other camera technology can deliver this level of nighttime range performance, image clarity, and reliability. Conventional CCTV cameras rely on color contrast to generate a meaningful image. At night, without powerful lighting to help them out, this contrast is hard to come by. This makes activity in the shadows or the boundaries of the lighted areas difficult to detect, and particularly hard for video motion detection software to recognize. But thermal cameras sense wavelengths beyond that of visible light and display subtle temperature differences as high-contrast black and white video. Even intruders wearing camouflage clothing in total darkness show up clearly in FLIR thermal cameras because people can't hide their heat. Everything in our world gives off heat, even ice cubes. Thermal energy travels through the atmosphere much better than light, so FLIR cameras can detect intruders from miles away. Installing FLIR cameras in your facility can enable you to reduce or eliminate excess security lighting, lowering energy costs, cutting infrastructure investment, and reducing intrusive light pollution. Don't confuse infrared illuminated cameras with FLIR's thermal security cameras. They are not the same. Inexpensive infrared illuminated cameras aren't much different from conventional CCTV cameras. They just use a spotlight of emitted infrared light to illuminate some of the objects in their field of view. Uneven field illumination leaves operators nearly blind in the portion of the image that isn't covered by the illuminator. Infrared illuminated cameras aren't as covert as many people think either. Any intruder with a cheap night vision scope can see the beams they project and easily sneak through the holes in their coverage. FLIR's thermal security cameras don't emit anything, so no one will even know they're there. Thermal cameras give operators 24-hour detection capability and superior range performance, providing more bang for the buck and a better return on your investment in visual surveillance equipment. Passive covert sensors, greater sensitivity, and long-range detection capability combine to make it almost impossible to hide from a FLIR thermal security camera.